Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button. This is actually, and I understand, this is my first time playing Don't Press the Button, so I hope I will be lucky and I will win. Oh my god. Guys, I am very sorry that I haven't posted or played in a very long time. My other storage wasn't yeah. And slide down. I don't like this. Sliding on my back is perfectly normal. Okay, sorry guys, I was distracted. Anyways, as I said, my other storage was full, so I had to work on that. Anyway, I am about to do. Wait, hold up. I am about to do. Wait, what? Wait, let me just press it. Okay, I'm about to do shoutouts. You know what shoutouts? Oh my god, I died. Why did I get to the water? Nah, I don't know. You know, guys, sometimes Chisami, okay, I'm good at parkour, which was how you do it. Look at this one. Yeet. This is easy. Easy stuff. Easy. Yeet. You know what? Yeet. Chisami, come back. Let me swim with you. Oh, that was done with me. Wait, no, I could have got points from because I survived. And I pressed the button first. Think fast. Bruh. That is way too fast. Okay, I'm gonna press it. Come on. Watch out. What? This is so hard. I just keep dying. It's not fair. Anyway, sorry, I forgot. Shout out to Lovisa, aka Chidiwa. Shout out to Nathaniel. Shout out to Thomasy. And guys, I will be doing 4 shout outs every 2 videos. Yeah. And then so those are the shout outs for today, guys. I know that was only 3 shout outs. Oh, fit fast. I jumped. You can stay alive while jumping. Okay, yeah, sorry, I was just keep going. Anyway, yeah, I did the shout outs. Now, let's get to the game. Gotta go fast. Gotta go where fast? Where are we supposed to go fast? I do not understand this. I don't know what we do here. I guess we just run around. Be like the first. Uh-oh. You guys saw that right? I just glitched. Oh, I see underneath. Wait, I can do this. I can't use it. And I'm alive. Vacation. Get off my seat. Okay. I'll just sit here. Just stand here. Sorry guys if you can't hear me. It is a bit late. It is late. So guys, as I said before, I'm really sorry for not posting a lot. So from now on, I will post a lot. And I'm sweating. That's why I'm so shiny. Go fast. Gotta go fast. I'm a speed man. Speedster. Speedster in this dream. I'm circle this building. I want to see if I can glitch again. Nope. Well, you're supposed to do this. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. I wanted to be careful. What? Oh my god. Well, that was I paid the consequences now. Okay, now I'm gonna be eat. And then, oh my god, I can't believe I survived that. That was an inch. Eat, go fast, go fast. Got to go fast. Got to go fast. No! Press the button, go press the button. My button. Banana. Banana. Wait, no, that's copyright. Copyright. Oh, hail. Banana man. I'm the tallest banana. Anyway, guys. I will talk a minute. Oh my god, I'm saying rubbish. Oh no! Yeet hasn't portrayed me so busy. Yeet. Please guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you're new, comment down below, and the video is nearly over. So I'm just going to say, say your name if you want to shout out in the comment box down below, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.